Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and I Mold. And today in NX surfacing we will cover this law extension. With the help of this law extension, it is just similar to our previous silhouette flange, but main difference is this: we can control this and we can create it on more than one edge, whereas silhouette surface will work only for one edges. Okay, so just click over the law extension and select the edge and the face and reverse the direction. So with the help of this we can create more than one. Now length, click the length and length type is linear, and you can see, or you can change it to cubic. It will change in cubic manner, or multi transaction. We have one point here and add one point here. Now just click and change here, length 10, click. All are, because all are matched with each other, that's why they are going in the same manner. In angular, change the angle will change, and you can change it to cubic. Change, it will change. Okay, just keep it as 90, and inside we can create symmetrically at the both side, or asymmetric, change direction on each side separately or in one direction only. Emitter, sharp edges. While we are defining the angle, the corner edge will blend, or you want to keep it sharp. So both option is available. You can change and keep whatever you want, and click apply. The result will come. Now again I will select this law extension and click over the edge, and I want this next option, vector option. I will use this. Now define the vector. Here we are. With reference to vector, you create this, and the rest options are same. Length is same, angle is same, and one-sided, two-sided, all the remaining options are the same. So in this way we will create this, and with the help of law extension we can create impeller, blade of this impeller. Now change cubic and drag this, and for angle just drag this, cubic. This is the way. For creating the impeller, we need one more option. Just click this OK, and I will choose this XForm and select it and change it to 2. Okay, now direction as this horizontal. Now drag it. And drag this. Okay, this way we can create and click it. I will cover this XForm command separately. That time we will see all the options. Now here you are. Just select this, and if you want to pattern this, go and select the pattern feature and number of item as 10 and click OK. Here you are. So this way you can create the impeller with the help of this lock extension. Hope you understand this properly. See you then. Thank you for watching.